Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I would be showing you about the VMFX trading system, which is a very beautiful elite trading system I've been using all this while, for my trading strategies, and it's very lovely, very amazing. I've been using this last week as well. Got some very nice moves on gold, on Euro USD, and on a lot of major time frames. So this works very nice, very amazing. So I would be showing this in in a very beautiful way that how to use this template and indicator. Yeah. So let's start. Before I proceed, all my videos and whatever I'm sharing is for education purposes only. Nothing is here for financial advice. So we will be moving on. So how to use this template or indicator, or we have four kind of templates. One is SW, which says swing. Another is SC, which says for scalping. This is for day trading, and this is for advanced traders, right? So this one, ADVC, is the mix up of all of these templates and settings. And I personally, myself, I use this one because I would like to catch one of the best moves. And I would like to, go with the top to bottom strategy with the with one of the best time frames I trade on. So if somebody is expecting to trade very fast or with every single move they want to catch, they can go with this. Yeah, day traders, if they want, they can use this. But what I do is I use a mix up of all of these templates, which is called advanced. Yeah. But if you guys use scalping, make sure, guys, there are going to be a lot of signals, a lot of trades, and it's going to be much more risky because a lot of profit means a lot of losses as well, right? So just be careful, be very careful, and I would personally prefer all my fellow followers to use the ADVSC mode because this is very amazing, and that's what I have been using all this while. So how it works and how can we use this template? Guys, this works on the order block strategy. Yeah. If you see the blue and the red boxes, these boxes are giving us a clear signal that the market has been dancing at this moment all this while, at this point of time all this while. And that was the order block where the buyers couldn't take the market up and the sellers couldn't take the market down. So it has a confirmation of order block, and when it is an order block, we see that there's a confirmation of the red box. Yeah, so red box is going to give you sell, blue box is going to give you buy. Yeah, blue will give you buy, red will give you sell. So what we can do is, let's because the candles can be confusing sometimes, so we can change the color of the candles. I will take the candles of my choice so that there is no much confusion. Here you go. So buy is going to be black and sell is going to be gray. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing is I have removed the trend indicator from down because I don't feel convenient with that. There are a lot of lags in that, a lot of lags. Like most of the time, like if you see a big move, like you catch your trade of 1,000 points or 2,000 points of buy, but below, if you see, it's still going to show you red. So there is a lot of noise, and I don't feel convenient with that. I use one of my best indicators, which is a gold strap indicator. So yes, gold swap indicator will give you a very less noise and more accuracy. And this is one of the best indicators I've been using all this while for all my strategies. So with VMFX, I also use a gold stuff indicator, which is very good. Trust me, guys, you're gonna make a lot of money out of this. So how to use gold stuff indicator with the VMFX Elite Trading System? We will be always waiting for two confirmations. Yeah, so we will be waiting for the blue box to appear to take a buy trade. At the same time, we need to make sure that a gold sub indicator gives us a buy. So once we get a buy, we take the horizontal line and we decide our stop loss is just going to be under the blue box here, and our TP is just going to be the same. If we take an entry here somewhere, so our TP is going to be same as the stop loss as 1:1. Yeah, if our stop loss is like on gold, if we are taking like 200 points, our TP will be of 200 points as well. We will always be going as 1:1 or 2:2 or 3:3 or 4:4 or 5:5. We will never go like with the 1:5 or 1:4 or 2:5 or 2:7, because what happens is most of the time like the trade goes in your favor, it goes a lot in your favor, and then it takes a reverse and it goes towards your stop loss. So we will not be going in the stuff of trailing stop losses or put a trailing or put a trail or no. We will not make our trading so complicated. We will just get into the market quick and get off the market super quick. So that's the way of trading with this particular setup is either 1:1 or either 2:2 or either 3:3. So wherever you get a block of buy or sell, make sure that the gold swap indicator gives you the same indication. And then what we will be doing is we will be taking our stop loss right above the red block over here. And if our entry comes here, we will be making sure that we take our take profit as the same number somewhere here. Yeah, there are stop losses. I won't be saying that there are no stop losses. Every single trading system or the trading indicator or the trading strategy will give you a stop loss, guys. But the winning ratio with this setup is a lot more higher than the rest of the ones. Yeah. In my previous video, as I have showed, about the volcano template and the indicator which I've been using, that's also a very beautiful trading system. But I use this as well, because I like to uh, take on with different trading setups every time. I don't like sticking on the one template or one trading system every time. Like it kind of makes me bored as well. So I like to keep my strategies flipping, not because they don't work, but it's about like I don't want to get bored, right? So I use like one of the best rating systems every time, and VMFX is one of my best rating system. If you can check the accuracy on even on the smaller time frame, it does a wonderful job, a wonderful job. So yes, start using this at the earliest. If you guys want to get this set up, just send me an email and it's all for free. Yeah. Uh, Always, guys, use the ADVSC mode. That's wonderful. And that's the most balanced one. It's a mixture of all of these. Yeah. And if you guys are enough good, you guys feel that you all are super experienced or you all understand the market very well, you all can even use the SE1. This is going to be really quick, a lot of profits, but then there is a lot of risk factor as well. So thank you so much, guys. If you all have understood, hit a like button and do pass your reviews in the comment. How did you all feel about this video? If you all need anything more, I will be getting such more beautiful systems for you all guys so that you all can try wonderful new trading strategies. Thank you so much, guys. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Happy trading, all of you all.